Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Precious Metal Summit Commodity TV here for you live in Zurich. And with me here is Robert Carrington, the President and CEO of Newrange Gold. And we want to talk about this lovely company. Good morning.
Good morning, Jochen.
Great to have you here. Your first time on Commodity TV. Appreciate it. And maybe you can give us a short idea about who you are, where are you working, where are you based?
Yes. Okay, well, Newrange Gold started life as Columbia Mines Corporation. We were originally focused in Colombia, South America, and then expanded into Nevada, which is a very favorable gold jurisdiction, acquiring the Pamlico district. Today, Newrange Gold has three major projects: the Pamlico gold system in Nevada, the Ramalito gold porphyry in Colombia, and the El Dobio polymetallic gold system in Colombia also.
Fantastic. So let's start maybe first with Nevada. Maybe you can elaborate a little bit about how much work you have done so far there. I think you had some very good drill results so far, what I saw on your fact sheet. So maybe comment on that, please.
We've had extremely good success at Pamlico. Pamlico is an old mining district. It was originally discovered in the 1880s. And quickly became known as one of Nevada's highest grade gold districts. Historically, the district has produced direct shipping ore with grades as high as 220 ounces a ton. That's almost 8,000 grams per ton.
Yeah.
So extremely high grades. In our drilling, in our first round of drilling, we encountered drill intercepts up to 340 grams per metric ton. And we just
what widths?
That was over 1.5 meters width. That was within much larger intervals. We have very large intercepts that are all available on the website. We just announced some additional drill holes yesterday with comparable intercepts, extremely high grades.
Okay.
I think the highest grades in that were, we had some 63 gram per ton gold in that.
Wow.
It's a volcanic hosted epithermal gold system in western Nevada. It's within the Walker Lane, which is about a 50-mile wide gold zone. It extends for many hundreds of miles along the border of California and Nevada.
Fantastic. How large is the property itself?
The property itself covers over 2,200 hectares.
That's big.
It's a very large
so there's
property.
room for much more.
Yes, there is. There are the area we're currently exploring is less than 1% of the entire property. And there are 5 major targets. Our current exploration area is actually part of a much larger zone that may extend for approximately 2.7 kilometers along strike and is probably 800 to 1,000 meters wide.
Fantastic. And this is, let's say, from the depths, would that be like an open pit for the hopefully future, or do you have to go underground?
It probably would start as a large open pit, and with the grades we're seeing, then later in its mine life, we would probably go underground.
Okay, so everything is still open, I would call it.
It's completely open on strike and to depth. The mineralization is all oxide in nature, so it's amenable to heap leaching. One of the very favorable things about what we're seeing in our drilling, all of the gold is very fine grained. Even in individual drill intercepts where we have over 300 gram gold, there's no visible gold, which is just amazing.
Okay.
And
that's really unusual, yeah?
It's extremely unusual, and it's very positive for modern metallurgy. It indicates that it should recover well either in a heap leach environment or in a mill.
Super. You want to bring that in production by yourself? I mean, it's way too early to say that, but what's the game plan on that?
I have a lot of production history. I've worked both in underground and open pit mines. I've supervised open pit mines from the original discovery hole through production. So I have a strong background in production. Yeah. We also have a number of other members. One of our board members is a metallurgical engineer that builds plants all over the world for the likes of Kinross and Newmont. And another individual who's on our advisory board and probably will be joining our board of directors is David Russell. Dave Russell is the mining engineer that built Getchell Gold up into a $32 stock and then sold it. So we have some real serious production capabilities.
Yeah, okay.
And we're certainly capable of putting it into production.
Let's see what the future brings.
Yeah.
Of course, you have to do still a lot of drilling, that's for sure. What is money in the bank? Are you financed for 2018?
We're in the process of raising money right now. but we do have funds and we have access to additional funds outside of this current financing. So it'll be real exciting. But we have we're in the process of raising about $5 million right now.
Okay, I mean with those drill results, that shouldn't be a large issue, I would call it.
No, it's not a large issue.
Perfect. Let's move to Colombia.
Yeah,
I mean U.S., Colombia. That's quite funny, let's say, from the distances and jurisdictional wise. But Colombia is a great place for mining, of course. Yeah?
Colombia is a great place for mining.
Maybe give us an idea what you are doing geology
there. In my opinion, Nevada and Colombia are probably two of the best jurisdictions, both politically and geologically, for gold mining. Certainly, they're two of the richest areas in the world. Colombia at one point had produced 35% of all the gold ever produced in man's history prior to South Africa coming on stream. And the two projects we have, one is a large gold porphyry system, Uramalito. We've completed about 18,000 meters of drilling there. It also is amenable to heap leaching with the metallurgy we have. A 12.5 millimeter crush, we recover 92% recovery. The other, very nice. Should be a very low strip ratio, good metallurgy. It's a good, secure part of Colombia. We're not off in some of the danger.
What's about infrastructure?
Infrastructure is excellent. We have paved access across the property. Wow. We have both local power and heavy-duty commercial power on the property. 15 minutes from a good workforce. There's better access at Uramalito than there is at most projects in Nevada.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah, sounds good. So what is the work program there for 2018? What do you want to achieve?
We actually have a consultant working on the drill data right now. I am of the opinion, and we're going to see if he agrees with me, that we're probably ready to initiate a 43-101 resource assessment. If he agrees with me, then we'll actually move into the actual resource estimate, and sometime in 2018 be publishing a maiden 43-101 resource on that.
Super. Then you know exactly what's in the ground on the first step, I would call it.
Yeah.
Super. Great. Robert, thank you very much on that. All the best, and I think we see us latest PDAC then.
Perfect.
For a nice update. Great.
Excellent.
Thank you
very much. Good day.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that was Robert Carrington, the President and CEO of Newrange Gold. And you heard it, Nevada and Colombia, two fantastic states for mining, of course, two great jurisdictions, and they have great properties there with very high-yield gold intercepts already. And even for Colombia, they want to do next year, hopefully then the 43-101, and also a lot of room for drilling for the future in Nevada. And they're on the mode to finance approximately $5 million, I think, with intercepts like over 100 grams gold per ton. That shouldn't be a problem really. So check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Zurich.